Welcome back to SundayPips. In today's video, I'll be showing you my best pairs to trade for next week. It's been a little minute, been out of state. Should have probably let y'all know because I have some of y'all trying to call me on Instagram, but that's my fault. So let's just get started. And I don't really feel like I missed out on a lot. The markets has kind of been slow. First pair, Euro AUD. I'll be looking for buys. Weekly time frame is bullish. Higher high, higher low. Love how we created this blue candle to the upside. All I'm gonna be waiting for next week on this pair is for the next weekly candle to open, go down, retest this area of interest. Even better, retest around psychological level 300 before reversing, leaving a wick like this. And like I always tell you, this wick creates some kind of pullback on the daily time frame or the 4 hour. If it works out perfectly on the daily time frame, it should look something like this. And then once the daily makes it to the area of interest, I'll go down to the 4 hour, and if 4 hour still looks good, I'll go down to the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour we will probably shift bearish to get to this area of interest. Right now 1 hour is bullish, higher high, higher low, and to get to this area of interest 1 hour will go down and then close under the higher low, shifting bearish, and then I'll just wait for it to shift to bullish again, and then I enter my buys. Or 1 hour we shift bearish by after doing something like this first, going up a little more and then shift to bearish to get down to this area of interest, and then I'll wait for it to shift to bullish and then enter my buys. Next pair, CAD JPY weekly time frame is bullish, closed above the previous structure point, and you can even see the shift in structure. We were going down and now it looks like we're heading up. Beautiful inverted head and shoulders down here. Kind of irrelevant to current price action. I don't even know why I had to say that. Whatever. Daily time frame is bearish. Daily time frame is bearish. Cool. 4 hour. 4 hour is also bearish. Not gonna lie, kind of looks like it already had the move. Let me see how that daily looks. Daily time frame looks clean. Okay, this pair, not gonna lie, gotta go. But if I had to keep this on my list, I'll probably wait for something like a pullback, shift of structure, and sells. But don't let that clean. I even know I got that on there. Huh. AUDNZD weekly time frame is bearish. This was the lower high, higher high. Close under the higher low, shifting bearish, making this the lower low, and then we closed under that too, making this down here the new lower low, and this the new lower high, and that's where we are right now. Weekly time frame is bearish. It won't be bullish until it goes up and then closes above the lower high, just in case you wonder. And the daily time frame is also, daily time frame is bullish, weekly time frame is not. 4 hour also bullish. I'll be looking for buys. We have the daily and the 4 hour bullish. All I'm going to be waiting for is a pullback into this area of interest like this. Once price makes it to the zone, I will go down to the 1 hour and I will wait for the shift of structure, bullish engulfing, and then enter my buys. Pretty simple. Let me see how that daily will probably look like. I think if daily comes back to retest this area of interest, it will also retest the previous structure point, an extra confluence to take this trade to the upside. Next, Euro CAD. Euro CAD weekly time frame bullish, created this huge blue candle to the upside. Oh, actually, I just remembered, I don't got this pair on my list to trade it. I just got it on my list to observe it. If you remember, like 3-4 weeks ago, I had this pair on my list like 4 times just to see what's gonna happen. This is what I anticipated to happen on this pair. I think price was like somewhere around like right here. I don't really remember. I think it was like somewhere around here. And then I told you that whenever price makes it to this line up here, it tends to go down. And that shows you that it happened right here, and it also happened somewhere back here. Yeah, I think right here. And I told you that if price makes it, since price is around this line again, since it kind of like made it again, I anticipated for this to have a drop from here, and it looks like it did. It's more visible on the daily time frame. We had this huge drop and price I guess decided to go up again, but I'm not really interested in this pair anymore. I'm not really interested in observing it either anymore, so I'm gonna just remove this on my list, off my list. Next, Euro CHF weekly time frame is bearish. Higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, market structure, market structure. This is where we at. This is the lower high and the lower low. What about the daily? Daily time frame is bullish. Actually, it's bearish. If you look back here, I didn't really look back here before when I looked at this pair. This is why I should always zoom out, I guess. This kind of ruins the whole pair. I mean, the whole trade setup. 4 hour bullish. I only got one time frame confirming my bias to look for longs, so I am not about to do that. Okay, this gotta go. Last pair, NZDUSD. Not gonna lie, this is not the best looking pair, but I guess it's still alright. Weekly time frame is bearish. I'm hoping it will play out like this: blue, red, blue, and then the next candle that formed, it pushed up. But just the opposite: red, blue, red, and the next candle that forms, I'm hoping it will push down. Daily time frame is bearish. More reasons to look for sells than buys on this pair. 4 hour, I think, is also bearish. Yep. So all I'm gonna be waiting for next week on this pair is for 1 hour to go up, create a complete head and shoulders like that. As you can see, kind of already like half created the head and shoulders. We got the left shoulder and the head already. All I'm gonna be waiting for is the right shoulder, and at the right shoulder is where I'm gonna be looking for my entry. When it pulls back, retest this area of interest, and somewhere around here is where I'm gonna be looking for my entry, and then take this trade to the downside. And since that's the last pair on my list, peace. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Peace.